In this tutorial, you will learn the steps needed to set up direct deposit at American River College. If you would like to follow these steps, you must have access to a specific computer on campus. Otherwise, you will not be able to properly complete these steps. Make sure you request which specific computers have access to set up direct deposit. Once you have access to a computer, you must first log in to your e-services. This can be found on the Los Rios homepage under the drop-down tab Student Login. After you log in with your student ID and password, make sure you are on the page entitled Los Rios Employee Self-Service. From here, select the tab Paycheck and Tax Information, then the tab on the left entitled Direct Deposit. This should give you an option to add an account for direct deposit, which will prompt the Add Account screen. Here you will input a name for your account, your 9-digit bank routing number, account number, and the account type. Once you have inputted this information, select the tab on the top right entitled Save. Now you know how to set up your direct deposit on campus. We hope you learned something new and useful in this video. Thank you for watching.